In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use motion tracking in CapCut PC. Motion tracking is an incredibly powerful tool that lets you sync the movement of your text, graphics, or animations with objects in your video. Whether you're highlighting a moving soccer ball, following a person in a scene, or adding dynamic visual effects, motion tracking can make your videos look more professional and engaging. And the best part, it's all possible within CapCut, a free and user-friendly video editing tool. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to download and start using it on your PC. Now let's get started and walk through the entire process, step by step. First, open CapCut on your PC and load the video project you want to work on. This will be the starting point for applying motion tracking. Make sure your video file is imported and ready to edit within the timeline. Next, head over to the text section in CapCut. Once you're there, add a new text layer to your project. This text layer will serve as the base for our motion tracking process. For now, we're going to use a single dot, yes, just one dot, as the text content. This dot will act as a temporary marker, making it easier to track the movement of your object. Once you've added the dot, increase its font size so that it's clearly visible in the video. A larger dot is much easier to spot and follow, which is crucial for accurate motion tracking. Think of this as placing a visible marker in your scene to guide the animation process. Now, click on the video track in your timeline. This step is important because it tells CapCut which layer you want to animate or track. Without selecting the video track, CapCut won't know where to apply the motion tracking. From here, locate the option to add a keyframe. This is usually represented by a diamond-shaped button near the timeline controls. Keyframes are the backbone of motion tracking because they allow you to mark and adjust movement at specific points in the video. Set your first keyframe at the point where the object you're tracking, for example, a soccer ball, begins to move. This creates the starting position for the motion tracking process. After that, advance the video frame by frame. Every time the object moves, adjust the position of the video frame so that it aligns perfectly with the dot. This step requires patience, as you'll need to make small adjustments to ensure accuracy. Each time you reposition the dot, add a new keyframe. By doing this, you're creating a series of movement markers that CapCut will use to animate the tracking. Keep in mind, this process may take some time depending on how complex the movement is, so don't rush. Take your time to ensure the tracking is smooth and precise. Continue this process, advancing frame by frame, adjusting the dot's position, and adding keyframes until the object's motion is fully tracked across the entire section of the video you're working on. The goal here is to have the dot follow the object seamlessly throughout the clip. Once you've completed the motion tracking, click on the text layer that contains the dot and delete it. The dot was only a visual aid for the tracking process, and now that the motion is mapped, it's no longer needed. Now, play the video to review the motion tracking. Watch the object closely and make sure the movement is smooth and follows the path of the object accurately. If you notice any hiccups or inconsistencies, you can go back and adjust the position of individual keyframes to fine-tune the motion. This extra step ensures the final result looks polished and professional. When you're happy with the motion tracking, save your project. Saving regularly is always a good habit, but it's especially important once you've completed a detailed process like this. And there you have it. That's how you use motion tracking in CapCut PC to create dynamic and engaging video effects. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tutorials, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.